Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Excelingual. In this channel, we will learn about Excel and its tips and tricks. And in today's video, we will discover how to use the if, AVERAGEIF, and SUMIF formulas to analyze and modify data in Excel more effectively. With the help of these robust functions, you can perform conditional logic on your data, compute sums and averages, and streamline and optimize your data analysis operations. 1. SUMIF formula. To use the SUMIF formula in Excel, follow these steps. Select the cell where you want the result to appear. Type equals SUMIF to start the formula. Enter the range of cells that you want to evaluate. Add the criteria that the cells must meet to be included in the sum. Specify the range of cells that contain the values you want to sum. Close the formula with and press Enter to calculate the sum. 2. AVERAGEIF formula. To calculate the average based on a specific condition, follow these steps. Choose the cell where you want the average to be displayed. Enter equals AVERAGEIF to begin the formula. Define the range of cells to evaluate. Specify the criteria that the cells must meet for inclusion in the average. Indicate the range of cells containing the values to average. Close the formula with and press Enter to get the average. 3. If conditions formula. To apply conditional logic using the if formula, follow these steps. Select the cell where you want the result. Start the formula with equals if. Enter the logical test that Excel should evaluate. Specify the value to display if the test is true. Define the value to show if the test is false. Close the formula with and press Enter to see the result based on the condition. By following these steps, you can effectively use the SUMIF, AVERAGEIF, and if conditions formulas in Excel for data analysis and calculations. Try these formulas and master in these formulas, and we will meet in the new video. If you have any question, write down your question in the comment section, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel for more videos. Keep learning and have a good day.